We'll guide you through how to check someone's location on Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're interested in seeing where someone's location is in Google Maps. This can be really convenient. Perhaps with a family or friend, you want to go and see if they're nearly home or where they currently are as you're trying to go and meet up with them, or you're just interested. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So to go and get started, you need to come into Google Maps as we currently are. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top right of Maps. There you go and find your profile icon. You do need to be using a Google account in order to do this, so go and sign in if you aren't already. Now, what you need to do is you can go down and you can go and come into More from Maps, and you need to go and find the option for location sharing, and you can go and tap there. Now, as you can see, you're going to go and see people who are sharing their location with you. So at the moment, I can go and see Rob Tucker here is sharing their location with me. If there are multiple people, we could go and see them. And you can go and see them on the map because I have their little tag there, as you can see. Now, if you want to go and start seeing somebody's location, you'll need to get them to come into Google Maps, press their profile icon in the top right, press location sharing, and they can then go and start sharing their location with you. And when they do that, they're then going to be appearing here. So that will need to be done in order to go and do it. You can also go and request someone's location. In order to do that, you need to start sharing your location with them. I could press new share here. Then I could choose somebody I want to do this with. Then what I can do is go and choose me out of time here. Then I can go and press share. Now it's sharing. I could then go and tap on them like so. And I could go and then press request. As I started sharing my location with them, I can go and request their location. Otherwise, they'll need to go and add me. Then I'll be able to go and see the location on the map. So that's it. It's that simple.